Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by removing any case and blotting visible water from the lightning port and speaker grill. This prevents obstruction while you work. Once done, confirm your iPhone is updated and backed up so you can safely run commands. Open the Shortcuts app or an app designed for producing low-frequency tones and allow necessary permissions. This is how you will generate the sound pattern that helps push water out of the speaker cavity. Now build or import a shortcut that plays a sustained low-frequency waveform, typically in the 165 to 300 Hz range, because those frequencies move air effectively. Make sure volume is high, around 80 to 100%, and set the phone face down on a towel to let water exit. Run the tone for the full duration of the shortcut. Do not interrupt. The repeated pressure changes force moisture out of the speaker port and cavities, so patience here increases effectiveness. After the sound cycle, dry the exterior and test audio playback with a short clip to confirm clarity. If you still hear distortion, repeat the eject tone up to 3 times and retry. Make sure the phone stays face down and unobstructed. Use canned air only at a distance and short bursts. Do not insert objects into the port. If hiss or muffled sound remains after 24 hours, contact Apple support or a certified repair shop to avoid risking internal damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.